So 2024 has been a pretty good year for the Ash Does Tech YouTube channel. At the tail end of 2023, I set myself a target of hitting 5,000 subscribers by February of this year. I did that. That was wicked. And then I set myself another target of hitting 7,000 or 8,000 subscribers by the time I went to Tunisia in June. Now, of course, people have the perception of subscribers just being a vanity metric. To a certain degree, I agree with that. You know, more importantly, views and retention and all that sort of stuff. But I find myself wanting to build subscribers because I'm trying to build a community on my YouTube channel. And by having a higher number of subscribers means that a lot of people are enjoying my videos and they want to stick around for future videos. And I've had an opportunity to review smartphones and tablets, trying my attempt at things that aren't smartphone and tablet related, like power banks and things like that. But I've had an opportunity to review smartphones I didn't think I'd have an opportunity to review, such as the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm going to be doing a video on the OnePlus 11. Of course, I've been delving into the lesser known brands like Oukitel and Umidigi. I'm doing Honor phones, Honor tablets, and all sorts of stuff. I've really enjoyed what 2024 has brought me. I also had set myself a target of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the time I hit 2025. Not going to happen, but it doesn't matter. The main thing for me is just creating videos that you guys enjoy, that you guys want to watch, especially budget-friendly tech that doesn't have to cost you a huge amount of money, which is why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. I wanted to let people know that cheap tech wasn't always bad tech. So cheap smartphones, 100 quid, 150 quid, didn't always have to be really bad smartphones, and you could pick up these sorts of phones brand new and they would give you a lot of what you need, and to some people everything that you need. And then of course revisiting old flagship devices for a lot less money, like the Pixel 8 Pro I picked up for just a shade under 400 quid, and this OnePlus 11 I picked up for 300 quid, brand spanking new. So there's still a lot out there. There's still a lot out there that I want to try and find for you guys, try and find you some great deals, leave links in my descriptions and all that sort of stuff. So if you want to join me on that journey going into 2025, I'm really excited for what 2025 can bring to the Ash Does Tech YouTube channel. Let's still build a community. I want to build it up as much as I can and just give you guys everything that you would want from a reviewer that reviews budget tech. So if you're interested in seeing all that sort of stuff in 2025, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next year.